Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Introduce myself. My name is Ingrid Anggraini. I am an Open University student. On this occasion, I will tell you about my activities during Eid al-Fitri. At first, my family and I performed the Eid prayer in congregation at the mosque near my house. After, we took part in halal bihalal activities at the mosque and stopped by several neighboring houses, especially near where we live. Just before noon, my family and sister went on vacation to grandma's house. Actually, the distance to grandma's house is not too far, which is about 13 kilometers, which can be reached in 14.5 minutes. However, because the atmosphere is Eid al-Fitri, the highway is quite crowded with Muslims who have just returned from the mosque and those who are just about to travel to stay in touch. My family and I went by motorbike. The four of us departed at 9 o'clock. I rode with my brother while my father rode a motorbike together. Before leaving, we first prepared lunch, snack, souvenir, and even a change of clothes. Yes, the plan is to visit grandma's house. We will vacation there for a few days. After traveling motorbike for almost an hour, we finally arrived at my grandma's house. We parked the motorbike. Grandma was already at the door to say hello. Suddenly, my family and I shook and apologized physically and mentally. Traveling for an hour on a motorbike does feel quite tiring. But we were lucky because Grandma had already prepared a drink in the form of cold orange juice. Toward the afternoon, father and mother say goodbye to go home because there were gathering activities and work that could not be left behind. Meanwhile, my sister and, and I stayed at my grandmother's house. Eid al-Fitri this year was really exciting and very memorable for me. This is my story. During the holidays, on the momentum of Eid al-Fitri this year, vacation to grandma's house and visiting the natural surrounding are one of the charm, healthy, and memorable vacation of ini. Thank you. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.